Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to download ChatGPT 4 on PC. So let's get started. So first, you're gonna head over to this website, git-scm.com. And once you're here, you're just gonna scroll down and click on downloads. Then from here, you're going to choose your OS. I'm going to choose Windows. Then just click this blue text here which says click here to download. Now while waiting for this to download, I want you to copy this code down here. We're going to need this for later. Alright, so now that we've copied that and our download is done, let's head over to our desktop. Then create a new folder. You can name it whatever you want. Now open the folder you just created, and from here you're going to create another folder. This time you're going to name it GPT for all. Then open up the folder. Then from here you're going to click the search bar at the top. Not this part, the blank space next to GPT for all. Now type in CMD and hit enter. So once you're here, you're just going to paste the code that I told you to copy earlier, then hit enter. Then just wait for it to finish installing everything. And once it's done downloading, you're gonna receive a prompt on screen. Then you're just gonna click on yes. So now just wait for this to finish. Once it's finished, it'll automatically close, and now we can close out of this, as well as our file explorer. Now head over to your browser again and go to GitHub. Then search for GPT for all. Then once you're here, you're just gonna scroll down all the way to official download links and choose your OS. I'm going to choose Windows. So now you're just gonna wait for that to finish downloading, and once it's done, launch it. Then from here just click on next, then click on next again, then click on next again, then click on I accept the license, and then next, then next again, and finally you just have to hit install. And that's pretty much it. Just wait for it to finish downloading. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.